Hello, this is a quick video to show how to reduce polygon by using Decimate Modifier in Blender. This is a raster 3D model I downloaded from internet. Firstly, we can show the wireframe. Go to Overlays, check the boss wireframe. Also, we can check the boss statistic to show the number of vertices, edges, and faces. And then I change the view to focus on car body. To reduce the polygon of car body, we can select the car body and go to Modifier Properties and choose Decimate Modifier. There are a few options: Collapse, Un-Subdivide, and Panel. I choose Un-Subdivide. The original face count is 9600. If we increase the iteration, we can reduce the face counts. I used to, and it's reduced to 2900. And then we can check the boss real time to see the before and after. If we want to apply this modifier, go to this arrow and apply it. This is how we can reduce polygon by using Decimate Modifier in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Artist V. See you in the next video. Bye bye.